All right, guys. So let's talk through why your flashlight here might be grayed out or disabled, where you can't access it. There's a few different reasons here. I'll be real. The most common issue is because you have your camera on. Now, there's other issues as well, but this is probably the main culprit. I'm assuming that you're trying to turn on the flash to take a picture. And to do that, what you would do is hit this lightning bolt up here. And if you press and hold it, you have auto on and off. Auto is going to look at the lighting in your room, and the phone is going to decide whether or not you need the flash. If you want it to always be on, hit the on button and then take a picture, flash, boom, boom. And there is our beautiful picture. So again, that might be your issue. If it's not your issue, let's go through a few things that we can also check. So the first thing, we're going to reset our phone. To restart your phone, on mine, I have iPhone 15 here. I'm going to press the side button and the volume up, press and hold. And there we go, the slide to power off. I'm going to turn it off and let it sit for about a minute or two, and then I'll turn it back on. A lot of times that can help with any issues that the phone might be having, including having a flashlight that won't turn on. Next, we're going to check for updates. If our phone hasn't been updated in a while, obviously that could be causing some issues. From settings, open up settings, go down to general, and in general, there's a software update option, and just make sure that you're running the most up-to-date software. If not, it'll give you an option to update your phone. Just follow the steps on screen. Now, if your phone is on low power mode, this could be causing some issues. Obviously, low power mode is trying to conserve the battery the best it can. So if you have, I believe it's 20% or below, if you've selected low power mode, that might be the reason why your flash isn't working. And if it is, plug your phone in, charge it up. Now, another option we have here is we can reset our settings. So from the settings screen, we would go down to general, and then we would find the transfer or reset iPhone. And here we have two options. Obviously, erase all content and settings. That is the last ditch effort. Honestly, I don't love that because you're going to have to, basically set up the phone as if it were brand new. But we have an option here inside of reset to reset all settings, which is not going to delete the data on this phone. It's just going to reset all of the settings tied to it. So think like your Wi-Fi passwords and things of that nature. So not as brutal as a factory reset, but that could solve our issue. And then last but not least, of course, just take a look at the phone. I mean, if you've cracked your screen or have some major damage, that could be the reason why your flash isn't working. So keep that in mind. Honestly, that's all I have today, guys. I really hope one of those helped you. If it did, if you could consider liking the video, subscribing to the channel. See you next time. Bye.